Hey there, thanks for stopping by Manly Bands to check out some of our fantastic products. I've got one right inside of this box right here that we like to call the Panther. So let's jump in, take a look inside one of our many boxes. Those are the least exciting part about this whole thing, guys. But one thing that is great is this welcoming card that's filled with compliments and also customer service information, not that you'll need it, and then also some pictures on how to find us on social media. So check that out. Take some pictures of your bands, take some pictures of yourself. We'd love to see them. We'd love to see you, but in a professional way. Inside, there we have it, the Panther, absolutely beautiful. This is a black zirconium. It's got a charcoal gray color on it and a 4mm inlay of Damascus steel. 8mm wide, domed design with a polished finish. Super fantastic. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking you've got a black band called the Panther, basically the Black Panther. Why is it not made out of vibranium? And that's because vibranium is fictional. But guaranteed that if it were real, we would have it as an option here on Manly Bands. Inside, we've got another fantastic black ring. This is our silicone band. So if you're looking for a little more flexibility or you're doing something dangerous like fighting off villains, this might be a great choice for you as well. Inside, we've also got some promotional offers from people that we like to partner with that bring us great deals that ultimately bring you great deals. So check that out. And thank you so much for stopping by Manly Bands and checking out the Panther.